All right, here's the filter so far. Let's see, I've got the water line comes in through here, goes down to the bottom, goes through some heavy rock with some lava rock on top of that. And you can see there's a drain right there. This is an air line to either clean the filter or if I want to aerate it or whatever. Then it goes out this drain, and then it's going to come out of this end of the filter, go into the bottom of that filter. And you can see down there, that's how the other filter set up. It's going to a little swirly. You see it exits pushing this way and pushing that way. And there's the drain. It's got a little screen on the bottom. Another one of my air fittings. And then it comes out here. And it goes out to wherever I feel like putting it out. Maybe another filter, I don't know. We'll start with 2. Well, hopefully this will start helping. So I've got this going in here. This is the K1 and the K3. Whatever. That's going to go into this one here. And that should hopefully help this pool a little bit.